XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking, if you want to look for buy, the best thing is let the price to drop. As we can see, the price drop. Now we are within this correction. We want to see how, because this correction is relative to this. When we have this kind of the correction, we can look for continuation. We want to see how we can look for buy. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We start with a daily chart. All right, first things based on daily chart, I need to mention, if you want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful about the shadow here. Okay, because if we get any buy setup, we want the price to break 0.65. If the price is not moving fast in terms of the corrective, maybe we lose, the price can drop. All right, what I want to mention here is that when the price was within this move, we mentioned the price is wanted to drop to 0.36, following by 0.34 before we get a reversal. By the way, as we can see, we have a sharp move here, and based on lower time frame, we have a correction here. If we get any buy setup and the price could break this top, which is almost 0.65, and with the continuation 0.75, then at that time, the way we're looking at this correction, this move is differently. We can expect the price, for example, if the price move to this top, we can expect the price to drop, but we are not it's not going to retest this low or even 0.36 or 0.34. May we get the correction for continuation. Okay, that's why now, because of this sharp move, we have a different analysis. Okay, in this case we move, because the best things was if we get a drop from here, but we couldn't get because of this short move. But still we need to be quite careful if we want to trade. All right, in this case, if we move to forward chart, all right, this is what we're looking for, this correction. We want to see whether we can get any trade setup from here, and if we get any buy, we want the price to break this top 0.65 with a sharp move. In a corrective way, we are not going to I mean, we should start to manage it, because if there is any drop, the next drop can be really sharp. But if the price broke this top, then as I mentioned, if the price move a bit higher, we can expect for the correction for continuation. Then at that time, the possibility of the price to retest 0.34 is very low. Okay. By the way, now we want to see how we can trade it. And if we move to 1 hour chart, this is what we're looking for. Still, we are within this correction. Okay, now as what we can see here, we have this 1 2 3 in relative to this one can turn to more complex. Even we can get it one move up, the price drop before it move. Okay, unless this one drop and retest this low, then any reversal from there we can look for buy, and the one can break the top and continue. But if we get any reversal from here, mostly we can expect this one to turn to more complex before we get the next move. And how we can trade it, the only thing is we need to get any sharp move with the flag. If we get within this range, or when the price drop a bit lower, if we get any trade with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. Or can we have entry above this? Yes, around 0.6, but we need to know, having entry above the top is very risky. What we want the price to tag, break, and continue. But if the price tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we take out the trade, because we should know that even if we have entry above the top, price easily can tag even within the first hour reverse. That's why traders who have experience, they can trade. Rather than that, the traders shouldn't have entry above the top, because this correction can turn to a more complex correction. And as we mentioned, easily price can tag and may it give the big down move. Or the best safest way is, if the price sharply move from here, we wait for the breakout of the top, and if like above the top, we can look for buy. And if we get any buy, what we're looking for, we were looking for the price to break 0.65. Okay, this is the next target if there is a continuation. Anyway, we are within this correction, and usually when we have this kind of the correction, we're looking for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.